Baby massage is a wonderful way to bond with your newborn. These special moments are very important for your baby's development and strengthen the bond between you. It's a gentle and loving touch that helps your baby relax and feel safe. These touches contribute to your baby's emotional and physical health. Massage is not only calming, but it also supports your baby's overall health and well-being. Regular massage can improve your baby's sleep patterns and create a peaceful environment. Through massage, you can help improve your baby's digestion, blood circulation, and even strengthen their immune system. This contributes to your baby being healthier and happier. Beyond its physical benefits, baby massage strengthens the bond between you and your child. These special moments make your baby feel safe and loved. It's a time for connection, eye contact, and loving touch. These moments are also very important for your baby's emotional development. In this guide, we will explore the wonderful world of baby massage, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to offer your baby a nurturing and enjoyable experience. With step-by-step techniques, you'll make the most of these special moments. Before you begin the massage, take a moment to create a calm and inviting atmosphere for your baby. This will help your baby relax and enjoy the massage more. Choose a time when your baby is not too hungry or too full, happy and relaxed. This makes the massage more enjoyable and effective. Find a warm and comfortable place where you can lay your baby on a soft blanket or towel. This helps your baby feel safe. Make sure the room is peaceful and free from drafts. This ensures that your baby's attention is not distracted. Warm a small amount of gentle baby oil or lotion in your palms. This allows you to gently touch your baby's skin. This will help your hands glide easily over your baby's skin. Use gentle movements to avoid harming your baby's skin. Now that the stage is set, you are ready to embark on this special journey of touch and connection with your little one. These moments will strengthen the bond between you and your baby. Start by gently rubbing your baby's chest and tummy in circular motions. This can soothe your baby's digestive system and relieve gas pains. Use soft, rhythmic movements to help your baby relax. These movements relax your baby's muscles and increase their overall peace. Then move on to your baby's arms and legs. Gently rub each limb to encourage blood circulation. Apply light pressure, rubbing from their shoulder to their wrist and down their thigh to their ankle. This helps your baby relax and their muscles loosen up. You can also gently massage your baby's hands and feet, paying attention to each finger and toe. This develops your baby's sense of touch. Talk softly or sing to your baby while massaging them. This strengthens your baby's bond with you and increases their sense of security. Your voice and touch will create a soothing and reassuring experience for your little one. These moments are also very important for your baby's emotional development. Baby massage is more than a set of techniques. It's a wonderful opportunity to connect with your baby on a deeper level. With a gentle touch, you communicate love, security, and comfort. These early experiences of touch and connection are crucial for your baby's emotional and physical development. As you continue to massage your baby, you will notice their reactions and preferences. Embrace this journey of discovery, and most importantly, enjoy these precious bonding moments with your little one.